Hi everyone, I am V and welcome to my lifestyle channel where you can find home decor, DIY, shop with me, cooking, home decorating and a whole lot more. Stay tuned and see what I have for you today. In today's video, I am doing a recap on the work that I have done under my bathroom sink. I want to capture some of the space in here. As you see, the depth of the space, depth and length, and I want to capture some of the space in the top. So in the previous video, I show you how I built a shelf, and not a shelf, I built a drawer, and show you how you could do the same. There's some drawers that was there originally. This is one of the drawers that I built and put it in place. And see, I still have lots of room down here. And this is one of the pieces of wood that I cut and make the drawer. And it's the same material as the other. And I got this material here from the Restore. And I started this since sometime last year and I didn't finish it. This is the slides for the drawers that I used on this one, and I am going to do the same thing on the other one. This is the drawer here. It's a little bit tight. I have to readjust it, but nevertheless, it is still functional. So we're going to go ahead and start this one here. As you see, this one hasn't been touched, and this is what the space is looking like. And storage, as you know, is key. So upon looking at the piece, I realized that I cut it a little bit too big, so I will recut it. And now I brought it back inside and I sized it, and I am going to put the bottom rail onto it. And like I said, this piece was purchased, I think, from Lowe's, not Home Depot, Lowe's. And both stores has it, but I purchased this one here from Lowe's. And you put this on the front side of it, and once you put the other piece on the inside, I think it's like a male and a female, you get that smooth roll. The screws comes with it in the package. And I'm going to go ahead and add this to the piece and paint it out, and we're going to have a drawer. So now I put the bracket in, and it looks upside down, but I'll realize that and readjust it. Put the bracket in the slides, and this is the other side. It was a bit too wide, so I had to cut a piece of wood to put it in place so I could adjust it. So this is what I did to one, I am doing to the other side also. So now the drawer is in its place and it is level, and I am just absolutely just happy that I thought about it and went ahead and did it. So now the drawer is already painted. I guess it wasn't at the time, but this is how it is looking, and they both mirror each other. I did one higher and to just adjust for what I need. So now we are going to paint the drawer out, and I'm using paint that is already used in the bathroom. And for the molding, that's the paint that I'm using, because I'm thinking if it's good for the molding, white paint, it is good for the project in the bathroom. So this is how it is looking right now, and I think I did an awesome job. So I am going to line the piece, and for the paint not to, because it'll be an area that I use quite a bit, and I don't want the paint to get scratched. So I am going to put a liner there. That liner, I purchased it from the Dollar Tree. Isn't it pretty? So this is what the liner should look like. And I think is a great addition. I brought it all the way to the front. So there's no exposed wood. I am so in love with this project. And this is behind closed doors. Guys, this is what this is looking like. I went ahead and put the paper in the bottom. The paper is one that I got from the Dollar Tree. I do have the marble paper as my floors, but I wanted to break it up a bit, and I think this is a nice contrast. Look at how this is looking right here. I think it's real pretty. So I'm gonna do a mini haul also. These are some bins that I got from the Dollar Tree that could be used for storage. This is how they look. And just at just $1, that is beautiful. I also purchased this here. I don't know if it will work for what I need it to work for. And that'll be in the shower. I also bought a larger one. I like that it was clear, so it looked like everything disappears. I also picked up this here for storage. Also, don't know in what capacity that I will use them. And this is what it looked like. It's lower in the front. Lower in the front and higher in the back. You could also use this in the kitchen. Actually, it's refrigerator storage. And I also have 3 of these that I purchased. I also have this here. This is a little bag, and I want to use it as a shower bag. I'm going to show you how I'm going to use this. I bought 2 of them. And one second, something else I purchased. Yeah, these are the other ones that I want to show you, and they are also from the Dollar Tree. And this is how it looks. And I am going to use it in this area right here. This is how the shelving is. Not the shelving, the drawer. And I'm going to put these in. See, a smaller one could hold right here. And put the other one in. See? And I could always put something else like right here for good storage. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you me putting in the other piece. So this is the paper here that I got from the Dollar Tree. And it just happened to be a perfect fit for this drawer. Just a perfect fit. And this is how it would look. And then I'll go ahead and put the rest and then go ahead and cut the middle out. Then this is what it would look like, and then I will go ahead and just cut out the middle area and show you. This is how this looks now. So I'm gonna just go in here and use my razor and just cut this out. And go around just like this, and cut it out and come back and show you. So this is how it looks. Open up the drawer, and the slit is in the middle. Guys, come back in another video and I'll show you another project that I took on in the bathroom. If you like what I'm doing here, share it with your loved ones. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification that when I upload videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. Bye-bye.